The success of Wings is intertwined with the history of the countries where our products are installed and in the growth of those countries that have become our clients. In Brazil, a great example is the Arapongas Wheat Mill, founded by Dr. Paulo Kummel in 1964 in the small community of Arapongas, Paraná. Almost without notice, the city grew up around the mill, and the dust generated during the unloading of the wheat into the receiving pit began to bother the neighbors. In 2004, Dr. Kummel became concerned for the health of his workers and the surrounding neighborhood and installed the Wings DustControl system. Ask the employees of the Arapongas Wheat Mill why there isn't any dust bothering them, and they won't know what to tell you, because the dust control system was installed 15 years ago under the pit grate and has never needed maintenance. Ask Dr. Kummel's son, Sergio, if he's happy with the dust control system, and he will respond positively, because it was an investment that paid for itself in good employee and neighborhood relationships, in the health of those people, and in the benefits for the environment according to EPA standards. Wings DustControl. 15 years of clean air for the city of Arapongas with zero maintenance.